G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at Renban by Phillip Newman. Yes, we are doing things out of order this week, but sometimes it's just like that. Uh, Hello, welcome. My name is Bill Murphy. It's a pleasure and honor to be solving this one for you today. I'm one of our setters here at Gas HQ, so is Phillip, so is Clover. And we make genuinely approachable variant Sudoku for you at home to solve. This one is a bit spicy today. It's a little bit spicy. Occasionally, I will practice solving it just so I can at least do it right, do it justice, and make sure my solve makes sense. And I needed to do that for this one today. But in the description, you'll find the link. You'll also find hat times. 2 hats is for a very fast time. 1 hat is for a pretty fast time. And everyone gets Dinosaur because we love you all equally. Don't forget, every time you drop a hat time in the comments, even if it doesn't score hats, I pat Betty, who is my greyhound. She's sitting next to me on the couch today. It is cold and wet and gross in Melbourne. So, that being said, let's get into it. So, this is our Renban. Now, normal Sudoku rules apply, so if you've never seen a Sudoku before, each box, each row, and each column must have the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, we also have arrows in the grid. Digits along a arrow must sum to the total in the arrow. And we also have these cages. Now, if you've been with us for a while, you might know what a Renban line is. We normally have them as some shade of purple. Today we're using cages. And these cages are Renban cages. So, digits in a cage must form a non-repeating consecutive set in any order. So 2, 3, 4 is fine, or 3, 4, 5. They don't have to be in order. That being said, let's get into it. Please give it a go before you watch me do it. But also, if you're I'm not going to blame you if you sneak a little bit of a peek at what I'm doing today, because you may need it. Let's get into it. So, 3 cell cages with a consecutive set need to either be 1, 2, 3, making 6, or 2, 3, 4, making 9. Because we already have a 6 in box 1, we know that this has to be 9. So we're going to make that 1, 2, 3. 9 sees this cell, which is also a 3 cell cage, so that's 6 for 1, 2, 3. This is a 9 for 2, 3, 4, because it sees 2 6s, and over here this sees 2 9s, so it must be 6 for 1, 2, 3. Now, there's a couple things that you will need to know for this puzzle. If you spot that all of these 2 cell arrows are on Renban cages, that tells you 2 things. 1, the highest digit that can normally go on a 2 cell arrow is 8. But because the highest consecutive set that we can make is 4 and 5, it means that the highest, because that would be 9, the highest digit we can put on an arrow today is 5. Now, second thing, and just as important, is for a 2 cell consecutive set, it means that we need to have 1 odd and 1 even digit. When you add odd plus even, you always get odd. We're going to use both of those to kind of solve this puzzle. But before we really get into the crunchiness of some of these arrows, let's go around and do some Sudoku. Where do I put 8 in column 1? Well, can't go there or there or there, so that must be 8. Where does 8 go in column sorry, that was row 1, this is column 9. 8 can't go there or there, can't go there, meaning this must be 8 too. Renban, line 6, 7, 8 have to be consecutive, meaning this is 3 and 4. 1 down here, points 1 in this triple over here, must be on the arrow, so 1 can't go there. So this must be 1, and that is 5. We can take the 1 out of here. Let's keep going. Where do my 8s go in? Well, it's a good question. Where do where does 8 go in box 1? Can't go on the arrow because, like we said, it has to be 5 or less. It can't go in the bulb, so because it's even, so 8 must go here. In box 4, where does it go? Well, it can't go here or here. It can never go on an arrow, so 8 must go there. Only one spot to place 8 in box 7 now, and only one spot to place 8 by regular old-fashioned Sudoku. Where do we put 6 in? Box 6. We'll go box 6. Oh, no. Yeah, we'll go box 6. Well, by Sudoku, the only 2 places I can place it are there and there. But if I put it there, it would have to be a minimum 11, which we can't do for multiple reasons in Sudoku. So 6 has to go here. Where does 6 go in box 8 by Sudoku? Must go there. And it must go there. So that's all 6s and 8s in our puzzle done. Just regular old-fashioned Sudoku. Where does 9 go in box 3? Can't go there or there. It can never go on an arrow because it would need to be a double-digit arrow, so 9 must go there. Place 9 in box 2 like that. For the record, I did just say that I practiced solving this to make sure that my explanation would be sound, and then I'm just completely deviating from what I practiced. Alright, 4 and 7 go there. Alright, let's do this. We can't, so this is 3 through to 8. Hey, a weird old Renban set in itself. So these digits must be 1, 2, and 9. So I'll take the 9 out of there. This is 1 and 2. This is a 1-2 pair, so this is 9, making this 4 and 5. But this 1-2 pair sees this cell, meaning this is a 3. We need to place 4, 5, and 7 here in box 7, but this 4, 5 pair sees this cell, meaning this must be a 7, and this is now a 4 and a 5. But what did we say about the arrow bulbs, kids? This has to be a 5 because 5 is odd. Meaning this is now 2 and 3, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 7 over here, meaning I can take the 2 out of here. This is 1 and 5. Oh, what have I done? Oh, just bad pencil marking, that's it. Okay, cool. 2, 3 up here sees this 2, 3, 4, so that becomes a 4. This is 7, so this is a 3, 4 pair. The 4 down here tells us which way around this goes. 3, 4, 2, 3. This is just a 1 and a 5. We have 4, 7 over here. Take 3 out of here, 1 over there. I haven't even put a 4, 5 in here. Oh, beautiful. We love to see that. This is 1, 2, or 3. Oh, actually, hang on. Let's clean up our pencil marking. 3, 2, 4. Let's clean up our pencil marking. So this is 1, 2, or 3. Meaning it must be either 3 or 5. But we have a 5 in here, so this has to be 3, 2, 1, 3. 1 and 2 I can't quite clean up just yet. That's 7 over there, sees that cell, so this is 7 and 5. 1 and 5 over here, we just have to finish a bunch of our pencil marks. 7 and 2. Alright, we have done all the variant logic. Now it is just scanning the grid and finishing off the Sudoku for today. 3, where does 3 go? Well, 3 can't go there, there, or there, so 3 has to go in the center there. So that's 2, 3, 1, 2. 5 is the only digit left to place in that row that I don't already have pencil marks. 1 and 5. 4 over there. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. And this has been Arrow Renban by Phillip Newman. My name's still Bill Murphy, and wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I'm going to go slow cook some beef short ribs. Sounds like a plan. I will see you next time. Cheers.